हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू बी आर क्लासेस। आज का चैप्टर 10th क्लास फिजिक्स के लाइट चैप्टर से है। बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है। हम आमतौर पर न्यूमेरिकल्स करते हैं तो उसमें हमें कई बार कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, कब हमें v पॉजिटिव लेना है, कब फोकल लेंथ f नेगेटिव लेनी है, कब हमें u नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव लेना है, कब हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस माइनस लेनी है। तो ये सब कंफ्यूजन आज मैं आपको दूर करूँगा। तो आप देखिए, उसके लिए लाइट का जो चैप्टर है उसमें कुछ साइन कन्वेंशंस होते हैं, कुछ रूल्स होते हैं, कि लॉज होते हैं जिसके अकॉर्डिंगली हम पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव साइन लेते हैं। लेट अस स्टार्ट टॉपिक कार्टेशियन साइन कन्वेंशंस। If it is mirror, these laws are rules of Cartesian sign, where positive, where it should be taken negative, we take these are for mirror as well as for lens. Now sign convention, before starting the sign conventions, we take, this is a concave spherical mirror, this is pole, this is focus point F, and this is center of curvature. While in lens there is optical center O, and these are the focus point, principal focus, one principal focus and second principal focus. Now we'll start the sign conventions. These sign conventions are called Cartesian sign conventions because their positive and negative sign are according to the coordinate geometry. If along x-axis there is positive, above principal axis positive, below x-axis it is negative, while on the left side it is negative. So taking in consideration of these Cartesian points, we start. The first rule is object is kept on left side of mirror or lens. सबसे पहला रूल है कि object, this is object, it is always placed on the left side of the mirror or left side of the lens. Second, all distances are measured from pole or optical centers. Now, all the distances are measured from, in coordinate geometry, we measured all the distance start from origin. Similarly, in the light chapter in rays, we start all the distances from pole, and in case of lens, it is always we start with optical center O. Third, distance measured along against the direction of incident ray is taken as positive. Here, this is object. Now these are direction of incident rays, and this is direction of reflected rays. If I want to know the distance here, I will tell you the distance between object and pole, object and optical center is always known, symbolized as U, and distance between pole and image is always symbolized as V. Now, according to this, if we start from pole, if want to measure the distance of the object, I will go against the direction of incident ray. Incident direction is this, and we are going to measure from the pole or optical center. If I go in this direction, now I am going against the incident ray. So distance measured against the incident ray is taken negative. That is why U is always taken as negative. Whenever we attempt any numerical in light chapter, we always take U negative because object is on the left side according to first rule, and secondly we measure all the distance from pole or optical center. So distance is measured against the direction of incident ray, so it is always taken as negative. And distance measured in the direction of, now I want to know the distance, the image and pole. This distance is known as V, is symbolized as V. If I want to know V, now I will start from pole and will go in the direction towards the image and incident direction of this. So I am going against the direction of incident ray, and the distance measured against is negative. But in case of this, the distance, this is image and this is object, then distance measured in the direction of incident ray. This is direction of incident ray, and I am measuring the distance of this image in the direction of. Distance measured in the direction of incident ray is taken as positive. Now fourth, distance measured above the principal axis. Principal axis above, that is here, suppose this is our principal axis and distance, I want to know the distance of this. This is always taken as positive. Similarly, the object is always kept on the left side, it is always above the object. So size of h, height of object is always taken as positive, because according to the fourth rule, distance measured above the principal axis is taken positive, and distance measured below the principal axis, this is principal axis, distance taken, the size of image, real image, is always taken as negative. So these are the Cartesian sign convention according to which we can find where V is negative, where U is negative. Now these are the mirror formula, 1 by F, 1 by V, 1 by U. This is mirror formula, this is Lenz formula. According to these rules, when we attempt any numerical, we take the right negative or positive according to these rules. So U is always taken as negative. Okay, thank you.